All right, we got the new steering and cross, oh my gosh, the track bar, sorry. We got the new crossover steering and the track bar in. First drive after, you've probably seen the install video leading up to this. And let's take a look. I mean, look at how pretty it is in here now. So nice. And of course, Davis Offroad has this beautiful powder coating on it. Hindsight, as I'm thinking about it, you know, maybe I would have just ordered the whole system from them. I had some of the pieces already. I had the support piece already for the power steering. Didn't need that. When you order their kit, they give you everything you need. They give you the track bar, the crossover steering, the drop. They even give you the power steering box, gearbox, and the support and everything. It's all powder coated this, so it's truly a great kit. I think the price is right on. So yeah, drivability, this thing is awesome. Let's take a look from down here. You can kind of see it looks pretty, except for that rusty steering stabilizer. We're going to get rid of that, get the Fox 2.0s in there. Everything's clean and nice. Touched it up a little bit with my Pour 15 paint. Nice lift blocks, good angles. You know, this is almost straight across. This is at its max, you know, height here and drop there, so it is what it is. This thing drives really responsive now. Ever since I put the 15 wides on here, it would grab every rut. It was hard to control. It wasn't so bad with the 12 wides, even with these tires, but with the 15 wides, it's got such a footprint. It was just wandering all over. It was really loosening up the steering a lot. When you've got, you know, 3 different steering components working on the other side, you know, there's a lot of room for slop. Now the steering wheel is really tight. It's just, you know, you move it, it moves. It's great. I thought I'd lose some stability getting rid of the anti-sway bars, and it wasn't that bad. It really isn't. It does a little bit more side to side, probably flexibility, but it's actually fantastic. So that's it. I would highly recommend the crossover steering. One more look at it, and the track bar. I absolutely love it. I think all of these square bodies should have crossover steering. Now that I've finally had it. I always wanted it when I was younger, but it was expensive and I never had money. So yeah, there we go. That's my update. Any questions, thoughts, feel free to reach out. Thanks.